Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App payment pending. So if your Cash App payments are usually available instantly, if a payment is showing as pending, it could mean that you need to take action. If this is the case, follow these steps outlined in the activity feed to complete the payment. So for you to actually complete or fix the Cash App payment pending, you just need to follow these steps that will be shown on the actual pending payment. But if you still need help on actually getting this issue solved, then you'll need to actually contact support. So to contact support, first you have to access your application. So from the application, you need to tap the profile icon in the Cash App application and select support. Now select start a chat and send a message to the support representative there and just discuss that you are currently having issues on the pending payment. If you aren't able to actually access the application itself, then you could actually call the following hotline. So you can reach out Cash App support by calling 1-800-969-1940 Monday through Fridays 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST. Or you could actually reach out to their social media at Cash App at Instagram and other handles that you can see here on my screen. So if you're not still unsure about this, you could go ahead and visit their website, which is cash.app/contact, to see these details here on their website, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.